Welcome to Suite 109 in 50 the Boardwalk Way, a spacious 1,250 square foot ground floor Swan Lake condo, a perfect bungalow alternative with a sunny south-facing terrace as well as the covered patio, the perfect spot to while away the afternoon, feeling like you're miles away from it all, but living in a vibrant gated community with fun street views, resort quality amenities, and a friendly neighborhood scene. As you enter the suite, you're welcomed by a proper foyer with neutral ceramic flooring and a double front hall closet. The doorways in this suite have been widened throughout for accessibility. The greenhouse kitchen features ample counter and cabinet space with a pantry and a double sink. The eating area has a large picture window with California shutters and a walkout to the covered patio and terrace. It's a cozy spot to watch the birds as you sip your morning coffee. The combined living and dining rooms have sleek, updated laminate flooring, and the living room has a south exposure with California shutters. Sit in the comfort of your living room and enjoy views of your own personal gardens surrounding your terrace. This generously sized primary bedroom fits a king-size bed, has a large window, laminate flooring, a walk-in closet, and a renovated three-piece ensuite bathroom. Has an updated sink and vanity with drawer storage, a roll-in shower with seat and light, and a large linen closet. The second bedroom also has a south view and a double closet and is close to the second full bathroom with soaker tub. The laundry room has a stacked washer, dryer, and storage space. Ground floor units are sought after in Swan Lake Village because they have more than double the outdoor space of a regular unit and they feel like a bungalow, perfect for pet lovers and gardeners. Walk out to the covered patio and sunny south-facing terrace with lots of room for a table and chairs for family and friends. Pull up outside your suite to easily unload groceries to your terrace. This location is so convenient. One storage locker and one extra wide underground parking spot right by the entrance are included with this suite.
Swan Lake's The Boardwalk Way is an intimate collection of 4 low-rise buildings located just steps from Swan Lake Pond and nature trails. Each building has an updated lobby and an in-building party room, as well as access to above and below ground visitor parking.
Swan Lake is one of the GTA's most popular gated communities. This gated community of over 650 homes has no age limit and offers 24-hour security, a vibrant social scene, and fabulous amenities. Maintenance fees cover the care of the exterior of your home for carefree condo living and also give you access to the 16,000 square foot Swan Club with a gorgeous indoor pool, sauna, as well as a fitness center with gym and exercise area, a billiards room, a library, a huge party and meeting area, shuffleboard, and a beautiful outdoor lounge and terrace with barbecues overlooking the pond. There are 3 satellite clubhouses in Swan Lake, and all of them have outdoor pools and tennis courts and are rentable for your use. There are nature trails surrounding the pond and walking trails throughout the village. Swan Lake is ideally located close to the GO Transit station, Markham Stovall Hospital, Markham Main Street shops and restaurants, large grocery and pharmacy centers, Markville Mall, and has easy access to the 407. For more information about this very special home, call or text us at 416-888-5640, email us at info@walkerparker.ca, or visit us online at www.walkerparker.ca.